Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and fix Ubisoft Connect on Windows step by step. So let's get started. First, click on your browser, then type Ubisoft Connect download and press enter. Now click on the first official website, and once it opens, click on download. After the file is downloaded, open it and click on OK. Then click on accept and click on install. Wait for the installation to finish. Then click on next and finally click on finish. Now click on the start menu and search for Ubisoft Connect. Then right click on it and click on open file location. You will see the Ubisoft Connect shortcut. So again, right click on it and click on open file location to open the main folder. Now scroll down and find the Ubisoft exe file, right click on it. Click on show more options, then click on properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check the options, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply, then click on OK and close the window. Now launch Ubisoft Connect again, and it should work smoothly without issues like not opening or crashing. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for updates.